So share your web browser. Your web browser. Is it showing? Because I can't see it on your share.
My share.
Share your browser. Your browser I want to see first. So go to your VS Code. You put a background on the UL. Go to your VS Code. I don't know why you put a background. Go to your VS Code.
Should I delete it?
It's affecting. Office is using my data. Can you guys hear me now? Hello, can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
So I said you go to your browser, go to your VS Code. I'm coming. Okay, so hold on. Why is there a background color here? So remove the background color. Ini, can you hear me? You have to respond. We have a lot to do. So if you're not fast, you won't be able to finish this thing for your dad tomorrow. Can you hear me? Please respond. Please, everybody should turn
No,
on
the
their
Zoom
mic.
options did not show where I should unmute on time.
Then everybody leave their mic on. This is not supposed to be here. Yesterday when I was doing it, did you see me give anything a background color? You are still copying and pasting code. Save it and go and try it again. What is this thing now? I don't know. It's not showing. I don't even know what's wrong with this. You know what's going on?
I don't know.
My Zoom is misbehaving. I don't even know why.
Excuse me, ma. In his UL, he puts background color of white.
He did what?
He put the background color of white in his UL.
So you need go to your VS Code and remove the background. Explain to me why you put a background, please.
It was because on the TMU win, their own background on the navigation link was white.
The website is already white. You didn't need to add any other thing again because it's already white. Okay?
Okay.
It's already white, so you don't need to add any other thing again. So remove it and go back there. Is Olaoluwa there? Olaoluwa?
Yeah.
Ore, please, I need you to do me a favor. Ore,
Yes, ma'am.
can you copy the code I gave you guys yesterday for Olaoluwa? Can you copy it into the chat while I'm trying to figure out your brother's own?
Okay.
It's just to figure that out. No finish. Huh? Yeah, right. Reload your page, please.
I've already removed it.
So it's not showing anything. Go back to your VS Code. Ini, please go to Olaoluwa's system. Copy the code I gave you guys yesterday. Copy it into the chat. Okay?
Okay.
I don't know why you're putting the color as white. Oh. Why is this thing writing like this? My Zoom is misbehaving. When you've copied it into the chat, let me know. Okay, please copy the other one. Copy the one in his body.
I've copied the CSS.
Yeah, I need the HTML.
Okay.
I'm trying to go to your browser. How are you going at that? Your computer is lagging badly. Okay, thank you. So please go back to your browser and try to reload it. It's not doing anything, right?
Something. This is not the place again. This is another place now.
Are you trying to open? Please, what are you doing?
I want to open to the web page
Okay.
again. I think there's something wrong with that other one.
Okay. So why can you stop sharing? Let me check your brother's one. I'll come back to you. We don't have time. So stop sharing, then I'll come back to you. All right, let me see yours.
The computer is
All right. Ini, please stop sharing your screen.
My computer is not there.
Oh God. Okay, let me see. All right, go to your. Why is there a mistake here?
Has it stopped now?
All right, hold on. You did not close your CSS. You didn't close your CSS element. You didn't put the closing tag. All right. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Yes. You didn't do that. Also, where's your styling supposed to be? Your style is supposed to be here. Where is it? What's the assignment I gave you?
To make some navigation bar.
Where's the assignment? Can you drop your assignment in the chat? All right, can you drop? You guys are really making this thing slow. And you want to submit this thing to your dad tomorrow. So we have to be fast. Can you put your assignment in the chat box? All right, are you there? No.
Yes, Mama, you're using my mouth.
If you don't have the assignment, tell me you don't have the assignments. Do you have it or you don't have it?
Mouse.
What did you say?
You're controlling my mouse.
Oh, okay. So do you have the assignments?
Yes.
Then copy it and paste it.
In the chat.
Yes, please copy it and paste it. If you have pasted it, let me know.
Excuse me, ma, I didn't save it yesterday.
You said what?
I didn't save the assignment yesterday.
Okay, then let's move on. Why do you, what are you showing me? Please go back to your assignment. I told you to do two navigation pages. So please go to your HTML. Okay, that's the first one. Then the second one. Hold on, let me check your websites that you gave me yesterday. Primark, right?
Yes.
Okay, so women, kids, baby, back to school. Let me see it on your browser, please.
Excuse me, ma, you're controlling my mouse.
No, I'm not. I'm not even looking at Zoom. Oh, I'm so sorry. I think I mistakenly did that. Sorry. Let me let you do what you're doing. I'm trying to leave here. So where is it on your browser? Orelua.
Ma, he's saying that you're controlling his mouse.
Okay, let me give up on this control. All right, now I'm not touching the screen anymore. So when you opened your browser, let me know. Please stop. Inyolu, has your browser opened? Inyolua, I said everybody should on their mics, please. Everybody on your mic, don't mute.
No, it has not opened yet.
Don't mute your mic. So if your page is not opening, how are we going to do it? Okay, Inyolua, is this yours? I mean, Orelua, is this yours?
Yes, ma.
Is this what I taught you yesterday?
No, I had problems.
What problems did you have? Go back to your VS Code. Oreoluwa, I said don't mute your mic. Go back to your VS code. Olaoluwa, don't mute your mic. Ore, can you quickly make me the host back? Can you quickly make me the host? Let me do your correction.
My web page has opened.
Okay, so where is your style? Where's the style? Where's your CSS page? Oreoluwa, where's your CSS? Oreoluwa, I said don't mute your mic. Why are you still muting? Oreoluwa, if you're not ready, let me move to your brother. You're not, he's not talking.
Okay.
Don't mute your mic, please. Don't mute your mic. So where's your CSS? Where's your CSS? He has muted his mic again. Oreoluwa, please stop sharing your screen. You're not ready. Inyoluwa, your own opened.
Yes.
Oreoluwa, please stop sharing your screen and make me the host. You are not ready. So you can share your screen, Inyoluwa. Okay, can Olaoluwa share his own screen? Olaoluwa, can you share your own screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Olaoluwa, please share your screen. Share your browser. What I want to see is your browser. Okay, very good. All right, you can stop sharing. Olaoluwa, you can stop sharing. Has Ore made me the host again?
His computer is lagging.
Then you should restart it.
I make somebody the host and leave.
Let him leave the meeting. Let him restart his laptop. All right, Olaoluwa, stop sharing your screen. Let me share my screen so that you can do your correction. Ore and Ore and Inyoluwa, stop sharing. Let me do the correction. You have to stop sharing if you want to see my
He's
screen.
already off his computer and he did not leave the meeting.
His computer is really. All right, you stop sharing. Okay. Who is the host?
He's still on.
He's still the host, Abby. Okay, what are we going to do now? Oh, let me try sharing my screen if you can see it. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right, now this is your correction. Okay, so do your correction. This is what you're supposed to use. And under for you in Inyoluwa, in this place you're supposed to put color gray. All right, so do your correction. I'm only going to give you 10 minutes. Do it now. Is your brother back? New insert. Oh, sorry. So this is the CSS styling that you're supposed to use. This is the CSS styling that you're supposed to use in your Lua. Olaoluwa, can you make me the host? Thank you. Nyolu, are you done?
Yes.
I said nobody should unmute their mic. I said don't unmute your mic. So share your screen. Let me see your browser.
Must have shared yours.
So reload. Go to your browser. Go to your VS Code. Why is the back? Is it supposed to be green or gray?
You said green.
It's gray. What is on your website is gray. Delete that color white from the LIA. I don't know where you saw white from. Now save it and go and check it again. Hold on. Just hold on. Because I can't find the page again. Can you imagine? Hold on. Let me do it again. Where you wrote white, go back there and write black. The color is supposed to be black. So put color black where you deleted the white from. All right, your system stable now?
Yes, ma'am.
So change it to white and then go back to your system. Let me see. Go back to your browser. Hold
Color
on.
is black now.
Instead, when you that place that you wrote gray, it should be. How did I do it yesterday? Hold on, let me see it. Just hold on. Okay, I think I've seen it. I'm coming, all right. I'm coming. So go back to your VS Code because it's not supposed to be putting a border when you hover around it. Go back to your VS Code, please. What's his mic? I'm going to kick you out of class because I've given an instruction that you should not mute your mic. Oreoluwa's mic is still mute. So the next, if I see anybody's mic mute again, I'll kick you out of class because you don't want to be here. So in Oluwa, it is not background color, it is just color, not background. Your hover place. So go and change it to color. Change it to color and check. I'm coming. Let me see. So why is it this long? Let me check your reference website because I don't think it's that long. New in shirt, clothing, accessories, editorial. So why is your own so very long? This is this how it is on your website?
Yes.
That's not what I asked you to do. I asked you to create a div and call it header and then put this text there. Go back to your VS.
My did.
Go to your yes. Okay. You were supposed to open another div for your UL. You're supposed to now open another div for your UL. Hold on. You know what, Livy, let me do it. We don't have time. Let me do it. Oh God. Now save it and go and check your browser. It's not reflecting on your browser. Go back to your VS Code, please. I don't know why it's taking time. Your laptop is lagging, right?
It's on
What
top
did you
of
say?
navigation
Okay.
bar.
So you're supposed to give that your header a background of black. So go to your CSS. Scroll up. What did you say? Give it a background of black. Just write background color black in the header. Now reload it and go and check it again. Sorry, give me a moment. So go and check your browser now. Save it and go and check your browser. go back to your VS Code. Change that text decoration to color and put white. Okay. So go back to your VS Code. Let me tell you what to do while I'm checking your brother's one. Wow, they ever lead this here. Wait, hold on. So I'm going to put something in the chat for Ini. Oh, God. Let me put something in the chat. So Ini,
Yes.
stop sharing your screen. Let me show you what I want you to do with what I just gave you. Stop sharing. Let me share my screen. Sorry. Okay, so this is your code, right? Oh, excuse me. So this is your code, right? You need to look at it very well, you. Don't come and make a mistake. This is your code, right? So what you would do is, hold on. Okay. So you're supposed to wrap this in a div, actually. This is a div. This is a class. What's the class in your own, in Ilua? Is it navbar, or what is the class in your own?
Yes, it's navbar.
Navbar. All right. So it is now in a div. So what I want you to do, that thing I kept in the chat, under your navbar, you put it like this. All right?
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes.
You put it like this. Now in this your image source, let me send the logo again into the chat box. You download it. I sent it yesterday. You said you could not receive it yesterday, right?
No, it's in my file.
Okay, so you can use it.
Okay.
So you're going to put that logo here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me explain. You can see this is a link, right?
Yes.
So I am turning the link. I'm putting the image inside a link so that the image can become a link. All right.
Okay.
So here you delete this and put the pound sign like that. All right.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So let me stop sharing. I'll come back to you. All right. You can share your screen now. hold on, please, while you're sharing your screen. All right, is your screen sharing now?
Yes.
Hold on, please. Just hold on. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to do something for your brother. Okay. I'm coming, oh, sorry. Mm, okay. Why's there so much space there? Okay. Imagine, okay. Ah, sweet Jesus. Agent tab should be 30.
Mama, should I click on it when the thing appears?
What did you say?
Should I click on it when it appears on my webpage?
I can't hear you.
I think my brother should mute themselves so that you hear me clearly.
Okay, please, can you guys mute so I can hear him? So what did you say?
I said that should I click on it when it appears on my webpage? But the thing is appearing like a link now.
What is the point? Just hold on. You will share your screen later to show you. Let me first finish with your brother. So, alright, go to your browser. Let me know when it has loaded. So, already on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ore, what you are going to do, go to Olaoluwa's own. Your correction is the same thing with Olaoluwa's own. Go and correct yours. Go to your VS Code first. Let me show you something. Go to your VS Code first.
Are you also going to correct me?
Am I also going to what?
Correct.
Is that Olaoluwa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your own is correct because I did it for you yesterday, remember?
Yes.
Go to your HTML. Okay, so hold on. That is navbar. Let me check your reference website. Primark. So that is H1. Okay, navbar. Which is in capital letters, small letters. I'm gonna skip the line. Okay. So, because you have two navbar, they are almost the same. So this is going to be navbar 1. This is going to be navbar 2. So you're supposed to create a header here. This always one is going to be a little bit trickier. Okay, you know what? Just leave it as navbar 1 like that. Just leave it at. Oh, sorry. So, alright, did you hear what I said?
Yes.
So you go to your brother's own. Did you even link this thing? Did you link it? So I don't know where you got this one from. This is actually supposed to be. Can you scroll down, please? Oh no, this is not the right one. Sorry. Okay. Why is this here? This is not supposed to be here. Can you scroll down? Can you scroll down? Okay, so now go and copy the styling from your brother Olaoluwa. So stop sharing. Let me attend to your brother. Inioluwa, show your screen. So let me see what you're saying. What are you saying?
But this is what I meant by logo name.
All right, go to your VS. Go to your VS Code. Let me check that you. Okay. 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 All right, go to your VS Code. Okay. So logo. You have not put the picture now. I told you to put the logo here. That's why it's showing like that. So where's the logo I gave you yesterday? Link it there. Should I send it again?
But this
It's not in your. You have to go and put it in your folder. It has to be on the folder where your HTML is before it can. Don't you know how to put images again? Is it there?
no.
So you have to put it there, then put it.
More.
What is it? You just have to go and put it in your lower folder. You have to copy it first, then go and put it in your lower folder. So where is it now? In your row, go and put. You have not linked it in your VS HTML. How is it supposed to show?
It's here.
Where? And then you change the name.
Where the mouse is?
All right. So did you save it? Logo or?
Yes.
You have saved it. Then go and reload your browser. Though I doubt it. Go and reload your browser. This thing you wrote here is wrong. Wait, hold on. Ini, are you there? Remove, there's no image. The name of the file is logo of bi.png. Why is there image.png on your own?
Yes. Yes, I'm here.
You did it wrongly. Please hold on. Let me do it myself. Now save it and go and check it again. Okay, it's too big. Go and reduce the size. Go back to your VS Code.
I'm here.
Ini, do you not put the height and the width?
Yes.
Then do it, please. All right, have you finished your correction?
I'm almost.
Okay.
But length of what?
20px. Not length. Have you ever seen us put length in a picture? It is height and width, not length. Height and width, okay? Oh, that explains a lot. Oh, you know what? Minulua, instead of doing that, hold on. Instead of doing that, hold on. Go to your VS Code now. What are you doing here? I asked you, do you know how to do it? You said, no, this is wrong.
Excuse me, ma'am. The correction.
What did you say?
I'll finish the correction.
I'm coming. I'm going to put something in the chat for you, Ore. I mean, Ini.
Okay.
Oh, I have to, because I can't find my chat. So it's for your CSS. So you're going to give it all right, go and put it in your CSS. All right, save it and go and check your browser. Okay, go back to your CSS. So that's max, delete that, just make that in width instead of max width. Delete it and just make it width. Remove the max and the line that is there. Yeah. Now change that 100px to 20px. Change the auto to 20px. Okay, so wait, hold on. Go back to your HTML. Let me see which container it is in. Go back to your HTML. Yeah. So it is in navbar. Okay. So let me give you something to add to your navbar. Hold on. So you're going to add this CSS I'm dropping in the chat. You're going to add it to your navbar. All right. It's in the chat box. So go and add it to your navbar styling.
Okay.
In your CSS. So
Okay.
not there. Go to your navbar. Scroll up. Okay, so now create a we want to give your navbar a styling. So put your navbar under your header, dot navbar, then put the styling there. Then open a curly bracket and put the styling. Now save it and go and check it. So reload. This logo is too big. Go to your VS Code. I'm showing you how you can put a logo.
Okay.
All right, go to your VS Code. Do you see it now? Now go and make that 20px. Go and make it 5px. Scroll down and go and make the height and the, maybe it will be small. So save it and go and check. Reload your page now.
I have.
It's still like showing like this.
Yes.
Did you save the code?
Yes.
Then why didn't it change at all? Reload this page again. Let me see. Okay, but this is how you put a logo. All right, this is how you put it. Apparently, this logo is too big. That's why it's like this. But if you wanted to put a logo, this is how you put a logo. But now that we don't have a logo, we're going to use this write-up that use this TM Lewin. So just go and delete it from your, go to your HTML. But in case you want to put a logo, this is it. All right, so go and delete it from your HTML. Go and delete that one from your HTML. Then let me check Ores assign Ores correction, and then we'll go into what we have for today. Yeah, so yeah. Delete the closing that is on top of delete that one. All right, save it. So we're going to use CML because we don't have. So you can stop sharing. All right, share your screen. Let me see your own. Then we'll go into what we have for today. It's already there.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so share. Okay. Now I want to see your browser if it's correct. So show me your browser. All right, you are still making the same mistake. It's not the same. Did you copy it from your brother?
Yes.
Then why is it not the same? Why is this, at least these women, men, kids, why is it not the same?
I don't know.
You're going to do it again tomorrow. Stop sharing your screen. Let's go into what we have for today. Make sure you do the correction tomorrow. You'll figure it out. Stop sharing your screen. So for today, I want to teach you guys how to do the search. Oh, let me share my screen. I want to show you guys how to do the search. Sorry. the search option. If I go to Aure's own here is, you can see where it is. This is where what's it called? Inioluwa's own is, and this is, where's Aure's own? Where's Ola's own? Ola's own is here. I'll wait for NEPA because. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you want to build a search bar like this, we use something called a form. All right. Let me use this one. Let me use this one. Okay. So just hold on. This one is not working. Sorry, hold on. So I'm going to use Ola's, what's it called? This is the one that is for Ola, right? So for Olaoluwa, if I go to H&M, I can see that the search button is here. All right. So that is inside the navigation bar. It's very close to the navigation bar. So I'm going to put it inside the navigation bar. Where's the navigation bar? Okay. So I'm going to remove this logo. Right, it's going to be like this without the logo. Now, because it's in the navigation bar, which means I'm going to put it under here. Oh, sorry. I'm going to put the form. I can't find this place again. Oh my God. This is serious. Okay, I think this is it, sorry. So the HTML code for building a form is like this. We use something called form. We use something called, you open a form element, you type input, type text, search, and then you close it. This is how it is. Okay, so you can see that the search is already there. We'll put the icon and everything later. All right, so, but just know that this is how you should put it. So this form, I taught this in our class with the general class when it was everybody. This form has an input because you're going to input text inside here. You're going to put something. That is why it's an input text. All right. So this placeholder, this thing here is search. But if you check others one, what we have here is search products. So we're going to change it to search products. The placeholder is what stays inside here. All right, so we're going to change to search products. Okay, so if I do search product and I run it, you see search product is what's there, just like this, search products. Good. So the first thing we're going to want to do, the first thing we're going to want to do, you can see this search here has borders around it, right? This one here only has a border bottom and it has this icon that is here. So the first thing we're going to do is try to put the icon. Sorry. Let me copy the time because I did it today. First of all, you're going to select the form. And how do you select the form? This is how you select the form. You type input, type text, just like this. I don't know if there's a full stop there. No, there's no full stop. So you type, this is how you select it. Input, you open a bracket and you put type text. You can see it's the same thing that is here. Input type text. All right. Fine. So I'm going to delete this. I'll delete that. So the first thing we want to no, just listen. What I want you to do is listen. Let me first remove all this one. So the first thing you want to do after you have already selected it is to remove this border that is around it, right? This border that is around it. So what you want to do is to say border. Let's try border none. All right. You see now there is no border there anymore. I mean, if I do this, you can see H&M. It's almost like that, but I would change that later. Okay. So you can see now there is no border, but we need a border bottom. A border, because that place has a border bottom. I don't know if this will work. Border bottom 1px 1px solid black, because what is there is black. All right, so you see now we have a border bottom. Before we even put a border bottom, let's put, before we even remove the border, let us put that icon. Now to put an icon there, to put that search icon, you have to go and download the icon. Search icons. If you search icons online, right, you will see plenty. So you can either decide to download it. You'll just find the one that is very similar to what we have. So look at the one that we have here. It's not fat, it's just slim. So you look for something that matches it. I'm going to go to images and look for something like that. So I think this one is almost like what is here, right? Let me expand this. Look at it here. Now let's look at it. I think this one matches it, right or wrong?
Right.
Because I don't see any other one that matches it. So I'm going to copy this picture image. Let me copy this link address. And I'm going to say, I'm going to come here and I'm going to say background. Who is that?
Sorry.
He's not listening now.
Yes.
The background image is going to be like this. Okay, what did I just do now? Sorry. So we're going to say background image, the URL. We're going to put the address inside this place here. Let me go and copy it again because it didn't seem to open. I don't know why it's not opening. Okay, so this is it here. Can I copy the image address from here? But in your own, all you need to do is download it. All you need to do is download it and put it in your folder and then put it there. But for this one, what I'm going to do is, because I cannot download it there, I'm going to copy image address. Yes, I'm going to copy image address and I'm going to go and put it there. But for your own, like I said, all you need to do is put it in your file. And when you open URL, your own will be image / the name of the file, or maybe the name of the file, your own will just be the name of the file. But for me, this is going to be my own. So if I put it as the background image and I run it, it's there, all right? But the problem now is that it is too big for the search box. It is too big, and you can see it is appearing 2 times. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that it doesn't repeat itself. So we're going to do background like this. Can you hear me? Are you guys understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. See, now that I said background repeats, let me put it like this. So the first thing we did was that I will put a background image and we kept, this is the background image. Like I said, your own would be URL is equal to wherever you download your picture and put it on in your folder. Or you can also look for an image like this and copy the image online and do it like this. All right. So now that we have put background repeat and we say we don't want it, we are telling the browser we don't want it to repeat. You see now it is now only one that is there, but it is still too big. So you have to reduce the background size. We're going to reduce this to 20 px. Copy. I'm just copying because I don't like to write 20 px. So you see now it is smaller. Okay, but now the problem now is that it is now in the same, is now on top of the search product. It is smaller, but it is now on top of the search product. So what do? You have to create a space between the search product and the background image. So you're going to put a margin right here. Is that doable? I think it's going to be in the placeholder. Sorry, hold on. Hold on. I did it somewhere, so I want to see how I did it because I can't seem to. No, it's not here. Okay, so this is it here. I kept this is the form. So let me see how I styled it here. Okay. Sorry, hold on. Background image, background color, background size, background position. Okay, the position. So this is what we use. We're going to use a background position of 10px, 10px. So what we're saying is that we're telling the browser that, oh, we want to put a margin around this, a 10px on top and 10px at the side, so that it will not be on top of. Oh, that's not it. Sorry. Okay, we're going to give it a display of plex. Let me be sure. Hold on. So because I want to design this thing that is inside, I have to put this in a div. Okay. I have to put it in a div. I have to put the form in a div. So I'm going to put the form in a div. And I'm going to give it a class of search form. I'm going to give it a class of search form. Instead of you to listen, you're calling Ola. Okay, oh, until tomorrow. So I'm going to give it a div of search form. All right. And so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to style search form. Let me style. Search form. I would explain what I'm doing again, so don't worry. I'll explain it again. All right. So first thing I want to do. Sorry, hold on. Yeah, search form. Okay. So what I've done, I hope that is right. Okay. So give me a moment. I'm going to explain this to you. Okay. So let me explain what I just did to you. So the search form itself. Wait, hold on. Okay. Maybe I don't need to do the search form. Okay, so maybe I don't need to do the search form. Let me remove the search form to make it simpler so that it won't confuse you guys. So you already have your form here. Don't put it in a div anymore. You just add it to your code. Under your UL, you already have a form. Now this is your form under your UL. So what we did was that we gave it a background. We gave it this background picture that you can see here. That's the background picture. We told the browser not to repeat it because the browser by default would repeat the picture. It will repeat it like 2-3 times. So we say, oh, please don't repeat it. We also gave it a background size of 20px to reduce the size of the picture because the picture was too big. So we gave it a background picture with a background size of 20px. We reduced it to 20px. We now also gave the background. Can you guys hear me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So hold on. All right. So this is what created the space. If I remove it now and I run it, you see, it will be together. All right. But now I'm going to give this background image a padding. All right. Now the padding I gave it, I said I want the top and the bottom of this image here should be 12, 12. And I want the right side, let me just do it. All right, so this is what I did. Now this here, are you guys following? Now
Yes.
on top here,
Yes.
has a padding of 12px here. There's a 12px on top. Sorry, 12px on top here. There's 12px up here. The side has 20px, which is this side, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let me make this 30. Okay, let me make this 30. Let me make it 60. Okay, yeah. So I think we should make it. Let me see his. Okay, the space here is not much. So I'm going to reduce the padding because the space there is not much. So let me make it 30px. Okay, so 30px is too small. We're going to add to it. Let me make it 40px. Let me see it again. So 40px looks like it's enough, right? Are you seeing it? So there's a 40px here. It's actually 40 at this side. Sorry, hold on. This is 20. Let me see. Let me make this 0. I think it's the background position. We've not done background position, so you guys might not understand it. Okay, so let me just remove the background positioning. All right, so this is how it was before, right? We have given it a background image. We have told the browser not to repeat it. We have also told the told the browser to make it small, to make it 20px. All right. So what we want to do is to do something called background positioning. And what background positioning does is that it positions the image, the background image. So now I've told the browser that I want a 10px margin on top and on the side. If I run this, you see it. And then you also have to add the padding so that it will show very well. Do you see it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Any questions?
No. No. No.
All right, so now it is like this. Now the problem now is that there is no, if I check this one, there is no border around it. So we're going to remove the border. We're only going to leave a border bottom. I'm just going to say border bottom, border bottom. is going to be 1px solid black, because it's black that is there. So if I do this, okay, I have to remove the entire border first. Sorry, I have to remove the entire border. You say border none. All right. But this was showing before. Why is it not showing now? Okay, so we're going to have to do it manually because it's not doing cuts. Let me see. Okay, it was showing like this, but because we have put an image there, is now a problem. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to say border top. We're going to do this one after the other. Border top, none. So now we have removed the border top. We're going to remove the border side, border right, and the border left. Border side. I can't remember if this is a thing. None. Okay, so is this sides? So we have to do it manually. Border right, and then border bottom, border left, border right. The right side will leave. Now you see there's no border there. Now we're going to do the border left. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're saying yes now. Tomorrow you're going to come and tell me you have problems. So now it is like this. So if you check it, you see, it's the same, right?
Yes.
You see it. So if I expand, sorry. If I expand this, right? That means we have already built the navigation bar, you can see. So we have built this place. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No.
Any questions? So your assignment is to do, I'm going to give this code to Olaoluwa to add it to his own. So all you need to do, you just have to add this under Olaoluwa's code. See where it is, though. What did I do here? I think there's a mistake somewhere. Yeah, so this is supposed to be form. So what you're supposed to do is just to add it under your UL, your closing UL tag. Ola, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me put it in the chat. Okay, I'm sharing screen. Sorry. So I want Ola to put it in his code now. Let me see it. Put it in your code now. Put it there, and then you come and put this in your CSS. So put it and let me see it in your screen. So in Inyoluwa and Oreoluwa, your assignment is to create your own search form. All right.
Okay, is it just like our website?
Yes. Is it this? Let me see you guys' own. I don't know if it's the same.
It's not like this.
See your own, Ore is like that. This is your own, Ore.
Okay.
It's like that. Let me see. Okay, so for you, Inyoluwa, the difference is that your own, there is no placeholder, there is no border. So very simple. What's his name? Olaoluwa, have you copied the code? What did you say?
I'm coming.
Okay, so help him. So let me, when you have done helping him, let me know so that we show you how to do your own. All right, your own is like this. So it's just copying it. All right, your own is like this. Then when you are done, Olaoluwa, I will show you. Inyoluwa, I will show you how to build yours. Your own, you just need to remove the placeholder and you remove the border completely. Just remove the placeholder and the border completely. Okay, the code is there. Let me just do it for Inolua. So for Inolua, your own is just you remove the border. You say border none. Right. See that remove the entire border. Then you go to your form and you remove this placeholder because you don't need it. And you see, that's all you have. Although they set theirs differently. Okay, nice. Okay.
Okay. That's that for me. Mom, it's not for me. No.
Inyolu, are you done doing it for your?
No.
What's the problem? Tell me if there's a problem so I can help you. Share. Okay, sure. Let Olaoluwa share his screen. Okay. Okay, so this is correct. Go to your HTML. Let me see.
Now
Go
this
to
is
the HTML.
HTML.
What?
This is HTML.
This is CSS I'm saying.
Yes, I think it's HTML and CSS is together.
No, this is, please scroll up, let me see. They are not together. You can see they are different. Scroll up, let me see. They are different now. Okay, so he puts everything together.
Yes.
All right, it doesn't matter. You can do that, but oh, so this is the mistake that Aura is making. Please go to scroll up, scroll up. Okay, so he's going to have to change it to an external style. This here is wrong. This is overflow. There's supposed to be F here. That overflow, there's supposed to be F there. Can you change that? There's supposed to be F after the R. Okay. So he's going to put all of this in his CSS file. So Ola, that's your assignment. Have you saved it? Please save it.
No, mom, typing in. May I put the placeholder?
Okay. So put it under UL. Under the closing tag of UL, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, my navigation bar is working now. This is correct.
You've corrected it. Or you
Yes.
let me see it before. All right, save it and let us go and see it.
Mom, look at last one.
Okay, so go back to the HTML code. Let me see what is wrong. in the ULD. Let me see what's wrong. Go back to the US.
This
US.
div.
What did you say?
I said maybe it's this closing div tag that is under it.
No, that's where it's supposed to be. Scroll up. Okay, so he's supposed to have scroll to the body. Let me take over. There's supposed to be a div with navbar there. He doesn't have it. So let me do that. So it's supposed to be a div here. Okay. I don't know why it's not closing. The closing div is already under. All right, so hold on. Let me check if there's a styling for the nav bar. I have to give up control. Let me check if there's a styling for the nav bar. Yes, there is a styling for the nav bar. So you're supposed to, I'm about to put it in the chat. You add it to your CSS, Ola. I'll put it. All right, so put this thing I just put in the chat, add it to his, put it on top of this UL here. Put it there. Are you sure you've copied this? Go and copy it again. You know what's going on now? Are you finding it difficult to
No,
copy?
Mouse is doing something. Yeah. Oh, Marcus.
So do you see it now?
Ma, why did the sustainability come to the second line?
Let me see. So go back to the code. Let me go and see the one on this thing. Oh, we have to reduce the what's it called? The margin. So I'm going to give you a new margin because we've added things there. This margin, you're going to replace it in his UL. You know, we gave it 30px 200, but now we're going to reduce it to this. So copy the margin you're seeing there. The reason why I went down is because this margin is too big, it's 200, so it went down. But if you reduce it now, everything will be on the same line. Okay, so now save it and go and see it. Do you see it now? Do you see it now?
Yes.
All right, no problem. So you can stop. So Ola's assignment, transfer your CSS to a different file. Or Oluwa, you're going to do your navigation bar. You're also going to do your search button. In Oluwa, do you know how to do your search button now, or do you want me to show you? Because that's your assignment.
My search button. Mom, come here. Let me create the CSS file.
I don't have that time. That's his assignment. You're not supposed to do it in class. It's assignment, okay?
Okay,
I have
Mom.
to go now. So do you want me to show you your own and I can go, or do you want to do it yourself?
This one, please show me my own.
Just stop. You have to stop sharing.
Last option.
So it's Ola's assignment. He's not supposed to be doing it in class. You can do it after I've gone. So for your own is very simple. You see, what you just need to do is that you have to remove that placeholder that you put in the form. You can see it's not here, right?
Yeah.
It's not there. And then your own, instead of writing border right none, border left none, your own, you just write border none. Just remove everything. And to just give you the icon like this. All right.
Use type text, then border.
What did you say?
Did you say just the use type text and border? Only the border.
No, just this is all you need. You know, in his own, we did border left none, border top none. Your own is very easy. You don't need all of that. You just remove everything, the whole border. You just say border none, no border at all. You can see it here. That's what I did here. See, border none.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. And then you remove the placeholder in your. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.